Okay, bye-bye. Ooh, pretty sunrise. Oh. Wow. Okay, bye. Ooh. Ooh. Check out this Christmas morning sunrise. It's so cool. Intense colors. That's nice. There's Hagrid. Good morning. There's a car coming, but I'll make it. And there's Remington. How you good boys doing? Good morning. It's chilly, isn't it? Oh, that sunrise is so pretty behind you guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Woo, here's a good spot to see it. Wow. Such a colorful morning. Wow. Are there any chickens out? No, but they got some sort of, looks like pumpkin, squash. Huh. I guess they like that. Didn't know. Alright, well they got Christmas breakfast. Yeah, it's dead out today. I don't think I've seen a single car yet. So I got myself Starbucks chestnut praline. I've never had that flavor before. You see there's whipped cream in it. Is this straw gonna fit? Hang on, gotta squish it. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. One of my coworkers was raving about this. This is a latte. It's hot, and oh, it's Christmas. I get it, and I'm about to head home and make some of our fancy ramen for our Christmas breakfast. So I got some frozen pizzas for later. It's gonna be a chill Christmas, and real easy but tasty. So I'm gonna turn this off and get going out and just sit here drinking this. Anyway, back on my walk. Okay, I just opened this up because I had to have a look. Oh boy, that's fun. I'm gonna take a sip of that. Oh, that's tasty. That's real good. Okay, I'm leaving Safeway with my nice hot coffee. It's gonna keep me warm on my walk home. I don't think we're gonna see any crows. If we do, I'll be surprised. Ooh, that was a hawk back there. There is a hawk that seems to live around here. I don't think I caught it. Dang it. Just saw a crow fly by. They missed me. And I hear one way down there. Huh. Doesn't look like the chickens. Ooh, tripping on a stone. Oh, there's the chickens. They heard me shuffling. They came running. Hey, chickens. I don't know if I caught that. It came running. Sorry, chickens. Didn't mean to spook you. See, I tripped on that stone there. Alright. Well, I'm gonna walk home now. Bye-bye, chickens. Gonna go have Christmas breakfast. You're still out. I saw them hang out at the door. I think they walked back in. They're probably gonna go back in real soon. They're usually not out for more than an hour during this in this weather. Hi, Hagrid. How you doing? There's Remington. Hi. He was whining. What's up? I gotta go home. I had a nice walk. I'll see you boys later.